How to use your phone as a mic for your PC. So if you want to use your phone's mic as a microphone for your PC, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How to use your phone as a mic for your PC. Now, if you want to use your phone as a mic because your phone also has microphone which you want to connect to your PC. This works on either Windows or Mac or Android or iPhone. You just have to open your browser and type in Camo Studio, C-A-M-O Studio. If you're using Mac, type in Mac. If you're using Windows, type in Windows. And once done, make sure you have installed and set up. I'm sure you know how to do that, by the way, and you launch the Camo Studio app, and this is the interface you see. Now, if you're using Android, take out your Android phone or your iPhone and simply download the Camo camera application from either your Play Store or App Store. Once you've done that, you can either choose to plug in the USB cable directly from here, or you can choose to connect it wirelessly. So to connect wirelessly on your PC, select this option called Pair a Device, and once done, it's going to ask you to scan the QR code, but as you scan that QR code, you can see we've connected it as a webcam. But after we've connected it as a webcam also, we want to use our phone as a speaker. So what we do is right here, you can see this option called audio settings. Under the device section, select whether you want the bottom microphone or the back microphone. And once done, you'll be able to record it using your mic. And that's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.